Are you familiar with these challenges in the template maintenance process? Changes in templates often have to be programmed by the IT. This quickly turns the IT department into a bottleneck. Every change, no matter how small, must be precisely specified so that nothing gets lost in the communication between specialist department and IT. Furthermore, there is often a lack of traceability in the editing process regarding who has made which changes or given which approvals. Our solution? The department makes changes by itself. We would like to show you an example of this using the following editorial process. It starts with the template specification, goes on with the template creation, the template content and text maintenance, language and client-specific contents, and finally changes and approvals. The business analyst helps the specialist department to define its requirements using a template specification. The specification describes the purpose of the template and contains all the required information for creating the template, such as the look and feel, text modules, editability, dependencies, placeholders, and printing conditions. Based on the specification, a technophile layout designer creates the entire template, including layout, logic, and data assembly. The layouter also creates text references, which the department completes afterwards in the text repository. In this example, the layout designer has created 4 text references: pre-text, text for credit note, text for back pay, and post text. These placeholders are visible in the document preview. In the next step, the admin of the department fills the text references with text content. You can see how this is done in the pre-text text reference, where the department administrator starts to enter the text. Variables are also placed in the text, which are automatically filled with data from the business application. In the course of this, further configurations are recorded, which, for example, determine the editability of the field. As you can see here, the procedure is the same for the remaining text. In addition to the content, the formatting can also be customized. In our example, font style, size, and color. Thanks to the spell checker, the quality of the text increases. Immediately after saving, the results of the text reference can be checked in the preview. Once the text reference has been completed, a translator can enter the language-specific variants if required. Of course, this procedure can also be used for sub-client, brand, or department-specific texts. The reference text can be copied and customized for the respective variant at the touch of a button. In our example, the German version for the English text. Language-specific field formatting can also be configured as part of this. In our example, the date display is converted to the German format. Once the text variant has been finalized, the translator completes the editing and initiates the approval process. Finally, the approver of the department reviews all changes and approves them. In this example, a reference to a VAT reduction was included in the text and is authorized by the releaser after checking. As you can see, the department can make changes quickly, securely, and comprehensively without technical knowledge directly in the browser.